Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Dominic Fonte Associates. I want to welcome you to 10178 Ridgeview Court, located in Streetsboro, Ohio. Lovely property. The subdivision is Tinkers Green subdivision, which is very desirable, quick access to all the main highways. What I like about it is it's on a quiet cul-de-sac with some green space, wonderful walkable neighborhood with sidewalks. This property is ready for your personal touches. It's neutral, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a partially finished rec room. It's about 1,800 and some change with the lower level, and the potential's great. Also has a nice open kitchen to the family room and eating area with a little bit of angled ceilings, neutral and decor. You have a deck overlooking a nice yard, very convenient to everything. So for a private preview, as you're looking at some of these photos, if you'd like more information about this property or any others, feel free to call or text my team at 330-418-1535. 330-418-1535. Thanks.